Okay, welcome to the channel, everybody. So this morning I went to my buddy's house and he has a torch and some other tools that we really needed that I don't have. So as you can see, we got the power plant frame disconnected from the diff, and it kind of was a pain in the butt. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It was not fun. It was not easy. Then, like, these were seized, this was seized. So, yep, lots of torching and all that fun stuff. So, yep, here it is. The broken diff is finally actually out of the car. I already checked it. Unfortunately, this is a VLSD. We pulled the ears out, but I popped them back in because it was full of fluid. But so these are unpredictable. The Miata diffs are unpredictable. You cannot tell. It's a myth. If it's got vents on it or cooling fins on it, if it's a smooth case, it doesn't matter. Because I have a smooth case and a vented case, and they're both VLSD. Absolutely trash. So maybe I'll be looking for an open diff. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to formulate a plan, but let's just get this home. I'll crack this open. I'll show you guys what's up with that. And yeah, I guess we'll take it from there. All right, so right now I'm gonna work on cracking this open. Let's drain it first, undo all the bolts, crack the case open, and I need to send pictures to my welder of what's inside the VLSD. So I just went on Google real quick. I already sent him photos of like what it looks like, from afar, but he wants to see like inside the holes. So yeah, I'm gonna just undo this, send him the pictures, and he's saying he could weld it. So like I'm saying, I don't want to go through all this effort and put this all back together just to have the welds blow out. Imagine how annoying that would be to put this all together and like the ring gear doesn't break, the bushings don't fail, but what fails is my garbage welds. So this is the one that came out of the car. Obviously, you could see with the broken case. So this one I am going to have welded professionally, which I guess will be a nice peace of mind that it won't be the welds that fail. So let's just get this show on the road here. It does go this way, right? There we go. Holy crap, that was really cinched on there. All right, let's see how gross this fluid is. Probably OEM, never been changed. Look at how black the fluid is. All right, let's see. Let's dump it out. Is it empty? Oh, nope. There it goes. So let's just set this up to get all that out of there. Something like that. All right, so I'm gonna just let this drain for 5 minutes, and then we'll just work our way around, get all these off, and yeah, I will send the photos to my guy, and he will tell me a time and date to be at his shop. And as you can see, analyze the color of this fluid. I see like particles coming out. Or are those just air bubbles? I don't know. But you can't even tell me that this fluid is good. This is probably the actual OEM fluid, dude. Oh man, with the neglect. Like, dudes out here really be neglecting their cool cars, which I'm saying cool in air quotes, but if you see a Miata in public in a sea of just boring, like Nissan Rogue, Mazda CX-9 or whatever, like the Miata does stick out as a cool car. So that's all I'm saying. But oh, now we're getting a little color out of that. As you can see, the brown, goldish color, orangish color. But yeah, let's just this shot is kind of a little bit of a ramble. All right, let's start this process. Why did I do that? Oops. Damn it. All right, this is the one that sucks. Everyone take a good hard look at that. This one in here, it could be a make or break at this moment right now. Okay. Yeah, this one sucks. But the 12 feels so loose on there. I don't want to round it. All right, well, the universe is telling me to get a little bit sketchy right now, so I'm gonna hammer a 7/16 wrench onto here, and hopefully that's enough to just crack it free. It's on there, but this is sketchy and not ideal. Okay, ready? Please don't round off, please don't round off, just be gentle. Well, this is the point where I'm stuck, because if I keep doing that and it rounds completely, I've lost all hope. But at least, you know, I remember how AJ did this actually. He sacrificed a socket. He took a socket, or actually, I think he took a wrench. Hammered it on, and welded. He literally welded the wrench to the head of the bolt. That is extremely annoying, and this is why you shouldn't buy a 34-year-old car from New England, because can't even get half the bolts out. Oh man, that is so annoying. But I'm gonna just, like I said, I'm gonna end the videos where I start to get frustrated, because for me it's not worth the agony to be sitting here all day worrying about that, when, you know, my guy, he knows what he's getting into. You know what I mean? He built a V8 FC from scratch. So I think that he can tackle this one bolt for me. I think we're going to have to probably torch a little bit right here. Watch out for the seal, obviously. Or maybe not. Maybe he's got a different method here. Or I don't, like, what is this? Why is this in the way? Like, I don't even know what this thing is. Like, but at the same time, I'm also scouring Marketplace for new diffs. If I could just go buy an open diff off Marketplace, that would be great. But I guess the open diff is a rare commodity, because I'm looking on Marketplace and I really can't find them. You really can't find them. You get people claiming it's an open diff, and then I ask them to send me a picture down the hole, and then they can't. Or when they do send me the picture down the hole, it's clearly a VLSD. I would like to use the 1/6 diff specifically, because even though the gears are weak, the ratio is good. This has a 4.3 ratio stock. So, but it's also like, technically, am I overthinking it? Because I have a reinforced welded diff already that I could easily slap in at this moment. But it's like, oh my God, this process, like, how long has this been going on for? A week? And I can't, like, I don't think I'll be able to sleep at night knowing that my welds are the ones that went into the car. So that's kind of why I'm a little bit hesitant to put my own welds back in, and I would rather you know, have a professional actually weld it. But that's just so annoying that they did that right there. Like, it's frustrating for sure, but I literally signed up for it, buying a rusty car. When I bought it as well, the first day I had it, we filmed that video on the main channel, and I saw with my own eyes how rusty this was. And I kind of knew it was going to be an issue, but it's just one of those things, right? I still got a month. You know, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this, whether it's my welds going back in, or I'm gonna go buy another open diff, or I don't even have an open diff. I'm gonna go buy an open diff, have that welded, slap that back together. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud, thinking out loud. I hope you guys are enjoying the Miata videos, I guess. But, man, it's not fun. And last night we got a foot of snow that I have to go clean up now. That's what I'm doing with my day. Shoveling, doing all that good stuff. But, yeah, there it is. A failed attempt at opening this diff. But, on the bright side, power plant frame separated, all the bolts and everything still intact. As you can see, not snapped, not bent. And as you can see, the insert still has all the splines on it, not stripped, nothing, man. The power of a torch. The power of a nice little MAP gas torch. So, yeah, that's really all I got for you guys in this video. Unfortunately, I know it's a little bit dry, right? Who wants to watch a video of someone failing at opening a diff? We already know, though, it's a VLSD. It's not, it's out. You know what? I'll just pop this out. I'll just show you. I'll just show you how we know. All right, let me get you off the tripod. All right, so that's how you tell without opening the diff if it is open diff or VLSD, specifically on the 1.6, because the 1.8 has a torsion option, which I don't know what that actually looks like, but it definitely, you could just tell right away by the case that this is a 1.6, and there was only two options, I believe, which is open and VLSD. So that's how you tell if it's VLSD, because an open diff has a pin going across. I'll try to put a screenshot up on the screen right now of someone else that has shown it, but that's the telltale sign that this is a VLSD. You can see right through the center of it, and there is no spider gear dowel pin. So sad and unfortunate, but that's life. Dealing with 34-year-old cars from New England. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow or the next day or whatever. So, yeah, peace out.